The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to an end. Many and numerous reports of unknown flying objects flying around the entire country. These objects were seen, that creatures have came out of the aircrafts. These creatures have been identified as aliens. These aliens are extremely dangerous. It is believed that these aliens will end the entire world within the next 30 minutes. There's nothing we can do to stop this situation. Gather with your family members and prepare for the end. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.